Lesson plan for PP2 Use Sound Words. Introduction. I have a bird. My bird and I have fun. We run in the sun. We hop in the mud. A nut is in the mud. A bug is in the mud. We do not like the bug. We run and run. Music chant of letter U sound words. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Good job, here we go. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Music smart. Umbrella, umbrella, uncle, 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 uncle. Word smart of U family words. UB family words. Curb, tub. UD family words. Bird, mud. UZ family words. Jig, mug. UM family words. Gum, sum. UN family words. Bun, sun. UT family words. Hut, nut. US family words. Bus. Picture smart. Fine motor skills. Draw and color a cup using letter U. Action game. Grass motor skills activity. Large group activity. Children will sit in a circle and pass the ball. When teacher says to stop, whoever holds the ball has to stand and pick one flashcard and spell the word which is on the flashcard. They have to sing a song. Pass, pass, pass the ball. Pass, pass, pass the ball. Nature smart of U family words. Children will sit in a circle. Now teacher will provide any one type of nut to each one. According to the teacher instructions, they have to peel the nut and eat. While peeling, they have to sing nut, nut, N-U-T, nut, 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 N-U-T, nut. Recapitulation. Match the pictures with the correct words. Assessment of U sound words. Find out and circle U sound words from the below grid. Remedial. Fill in the missing letters according to the given pictures. Enrichment. Name the given pictures.